of the world today stunned by this image. This was debris from a meteor.
Tools like the Hubble and the advanced James Webb Space Telescope let us look deeply into the universe, showing us celestial wonders that capture our imagination. Yet, sometimes these tools reveal unsettling sights. What secrets are hidden in the depths of space, waiting to be discovered? What mysteries do distant stars and galaxies hold that challenge our understanding of the cosmos? Join us as we explore 10 stunning photos of space discoveries released by NASA that you won't want to miss. Number 10. Dangerous spacewalk. Humans have always been captivated by the allure of space, an enigmatic realm that beckons with its mysteries and promises of exploration. Yet, the reality of space is far from welcoming. It is a realm of extreme temperatures where the coldness can chill you to the bone, and the darkness seems endless, engulfing everything in its vast expanse. For us fragile beings, the universe presents a formidable challenge with its deadly vacuum and radiation, ready to claim lives within moments. Despite these daunting dangers, there exists a brave cadre of individuals undeterred by the perils of space travel. They willingly step forward, risking everything for the chance to venture beyond our atmosphere, whether it be to the rust-colored plains of Mars, the desolate surface of the Moon, or the orbiting laboratory of the ISS. It is proof of the indomitable spirit of exploration that burns within us, driving us to push the boundaries of what is possible. Comparatively, the risks of space travel may seem minuscule when viewed against the backdrop of everyday life on Earth. Statistics show that the likelihood of perishing in a space mission is significantly lower than the chances of being involved in a fatal car accident. Yet, embarking on a journey into the unknown requires a unique brand of courage, one that transcends the fear of the unknown and embraces the uncertainty of the universe. Among the pantheon of space explorers, one figure stands out for his extraordinary courage and pioneering spirit: Bruce McCandless, an American astronaut who etched his name in the annals of space history during a pivotal moment in 1984. As part of a daring space shuttle mission, McCandless dared to venture where no one had gone before, embodying the very essence of human determination and ingenuity in the face of adversity. He dared to venture into the vast expanse of space, casting aside all safety precautions, and soared freely among the stars for several breathtaking minutes. This daring escapade would surely stir the adventurous spirit in thousands of people back on Earth. It is similar to the thrill-seekers who bungee jump off bridges or brave the rapids of Niagara Falls in rubber rafts. However, this cosmic stroll was not without its perils. A single misstep, a minor oversight by the engineering team, or the sudden malfunction of a crucial spacecraft component could have spelled disaster. McCandless, the brave astronaut, risked becoming the first casualty of an untethered spacewalk in human history. With only a navigation system known as the Manned Maneuvering Unit at his disposal, McCandless charted his course back to the safety of the shuttle after his exhilarating walk. His journey home soon became a milestone etched in the annals of NASA history, marking a remarkable feat of human courage and ingenuity. Number 9. Mars-henge. The mystery surrounding Stonehenge continues to captivate minds with numerous compelling theories and mythical tales swirling around its mysterious stones. While scientists have put forth sturdy explanations, the allure of legendary speculation persists. Some propose that it might be the remnants of a Roman temple or an elaborate calendar designed around the solar year. Perhaps the most enchanting legend is that of Merlin, the famed Arthurian wizard believed by many to have conjured Stonehenge into existence. However, amidst these tales, there exists a persistent narrative championed by alien conspiracy theorists who contend that Stonehenge bears extraterrestrial origins. According to this view, the arrangement of the stones points not to human hands but to a cosmic intelligence, aligning them with the summer and winter solstices. Despite the doubt surrounding these unconventional ideas, some argue that scientists have yet to fully explore the possibility of alien involvement in the creation of Stonehenge, prompting a need for more open-minded investigation. The reason why Stonehenge was built remains a mystery, but some clues suggest it might have been influenced by calendars from the Eastern Mediterranean and Egypt. However, recent revelations from NASA's Mars mission have added a fascinating twist to this ancient puzzle. The images sent back from the Martian surface by the rover have stunned scientists, revealing a circular arrangement of stones eerily reminiscent of Stonehenge. This Martian version, dubbed Mars-henge, features 2 circles of rocks with a square in the center, mirroring the layout of the original Stonehenge. It is a remarkable find because it raises questions about the origins of these structures. Are they connected somehow? Did one inspire the other? The resemblance is striking, but it is difficult to determine which came first. Could there be Egyptian influence on a structure found on the distant red planet? These are the mysteries that capture the imagination. Adding to the interest is the fact that the images from the Martian rover date back decades, hidden away in NASA's archives since the 1970s. It was only when NASA began to share more of its discoveries that eagle-eyed UFO investigators stumbled upon these groundbreaking images, sparking renewed interest and speculation. This discovery has reignited the age-old debate surrounding NASA's secrets and its relationship with extraterrestrial life, fueling conspiracy theories that have persisted for years. Many people think the space agency has solid evidence of seeing aliens, but they mostly keep it secret from the public. Similarly, numerous scientists associated with NASA have rejected the idea of the Mars-Henge theory despite having clear images of a Stonehenge-like structure on Mars. They prefer not to acknowledge the apparent, instead attributing it to something called pareidolia, a condition where our brains deceive us into recognizing familiar shapes in unclear visuals. Number 8. Southern Ring Nebula. NASA tells us that the Southern Ring Nebula is a massive swirl of cosmic wonder spanning about half the distance it takes light to travel in a year. It sits roughly 2,000 light-years from us, far beyond our reach. In the heart of this celestial spectacle lies a fainter star surrounded by a halo of swirling gases and dust. Over thousands of years, this star has been shedding its outer layers, casting them out in all directions like a jeweler polishing a precious sapphire, creating a breathtaking glow wrapped in a shroud of cosmic debris. This dying star is putting on its grand finale, a show that will last eons. NASA likens it to the final act of our sun, a distant eventuality billions of years in the future. If we could somehow tilt our perspective, the Southern Ring Nebula would reveal its true form. Imagine two bowls nestled together, their bottoms facing outwards, leaving a vast void at their meeting point. This cosmic dance of matter and light is a testament to the timeless beauty and drama of the universe. Two snapshots of the Southern Ring Nebula taken by different tools on the James Webb Space Telescope unveil fascinating details. The first one, snapped by the near-infrared camera, emphasizes the stars in their radiant layers. In contrast, the second image, courtesy of the mid-infrared instrument, introduces us to the nebula's second star, previously unseen. NASA notes that this brighter star plays a significant role in shaping the nebula's appearance. As these stellar partners dance around each other, their gravitational tango disturbs the surrounding gas and dust, creating intriguing asymmetrical patterns akin to stirring a pot. Moreover, these images offer a bonus discovery, a collection of distant galaxies twinkling in the background, distinguishable from stars by their varied hues. Notably, keen-eyed observers might spot a bluish streak to the left, initially mistaken for part of the nebula. NASA astronomer Carl Gordon later identified it as a galaxy caught sideways in the frame. This unique perspective holds promise for unraveling mysteries about how stars populate galaxies, adding an extra layer of intrigue to this cosmic tableau. Number 7. Chelyabinsk Meteor. It is no secret that NASA lacks concrete evidence about major meteor impacts on Earth. Our planet has existed for centuries, making it challenging to trace its history accurately, especially before the advent of advanced technology. Consequently, NASA cannot definitively confirm whether Earth has encountered cataclysmic collisions with meteoroids. Typically, significant meteor events would result in the formation of deep craters, possibly as vast as oceans, causing widespread destruction and loss of human lives. However, NASA cannot assert with certainty whether Earth has witnessed comparable levels of devastation over time. Many deep craters may have eroded or become submerged beneath the oceans, obscuring evidence of past impacts. Yet this uncertainty does not negate the possibility that humanity has narrowly escaped mass-scale devastation. In essence, while NASA's knowledge of Earth's meteoric encounters remains incomplete, the potential for catastrophic events looms, reminding us of the unpredictable nature of our planet's history. In 2013, a colossal meteor as large as a building streaked into Earth's atmosphere near Chelyabinsk, Russia. Imagine a giant rock hurtling through the sky at a speed of 11 miles per hour. Suddenly, just 14 miles above the ground, it erupted into a spectacular explosion. The force of the blast was so intense that it was heard and felt throughout the entire country. The sonic boom shattered glass in every direction, leaving shards scattered like confetti. The light emitted by the explosion was blinding, dazzling the eyes of anyone who happened to witness it. It was as if the end of the world had arrived in a flash. The aftermath was chaotic and devastating. In the blink of an eye, over 1,500 people were injured by the raining glass, which lodged into their bodies like tiny sharp daggers. Meanwhile, more than 7,200 buildings suffered significant damage from the powerful shock wave that rippled outwards. It was a scene of sudden destruction, catching everyone off guard. The impact was so profound that it reverberated far beyond the immediate vicinity of Chelyabinsk. Images captured by NASA revealed the sheer terror of the event, showcasing the gaping crater left behind as a chilling reminder of nature's awesome power. Typically, incidents like this are shrouded in secrecy until thorough investigations can be conducted. However, the severity of the situation demanded immediate attention. There was simply no hiding the truth of what had occurred. The event also served as a wake-up call, shaking the illusion that we were adequately prepared to defend against such cosmic intrusions. For years, NASA had reassured us that our infrastructure could withstand such threats, yet the reality proved otherwise. It was a monumental shock, forcing us to confront our vulnerabilities in the face of the vast unknowns of space. Number 6. HH 505. The celestial object known as Herbig-Haro 505, or HH 505, is a fascinating and lively event in space that offers a special peek into how stars are born. These objects get their name from the astronomers George Herbig and Guillermo Haro, who each separately studied strange glowing things around young stars back in the mid-20th century. HH 505 was probably found during careful searches of the night sky, specifically looking for these peculiar sights. They are usually recognized by their thin jet-like shapes and bright glow, which happen because material shoots out from young stars fast and bumps into stuff floating around in space. The story of studying HH 505 has changed over time as telescopes have gotten better. The most amazing pictures, including ones of HH 505, have come from space telescopes like the Hubble. Its super-sharp view lets astronomers see all the tiny details of these objects, giving them a better idea of what they are like and how they work. It is like a scene in a grand cosmic play where stars are born. It resides in a special area called a molecular cloud or stellar nursery. These are spots in space where gas and dust collapse under gravity's pull, giving birth to brand new stars. What makes HH 505 stand out is the lively dance between a young star and its surroundings. Imagine a dazzling star surrounded by swirling clouds of gas and dust interacting in a magnificent spectacle. HH 505 itself appears as two bright spots linked by a fainter connection like pearls on a necklace. This pattern suggests a powerful jet shooting out from a young star, shaping its environment as it emerges. These jets are like cosmic sculptors carving the surrounding space and influencing how other stars are born. They play a crucial role in the stellar neighborhood's development, directing the flow of matter and energy. HH 505's expanse is also impressive, stretching across several light-years within the cloud. This vast scale emphasizes the dynamic and vibrant nature of star formation. The jets and outflows from it can move incredibly fast, traveling at hundreds of miles per second. As they speed through space, they carve pathways through the dense material of the cloud, dispersing it as they go. It is like a cosmic wind shaping and reshaping the stellar landscape in a never-ending cycle of creation and destruction. Number 5. Antenna galaxies. The antenna galaxies, also called NGC 4038 and NGC 4039, are like a captivating cosmic dance happening right before our eyes. These two galaxies, found approximately 45 million light-years away in the Corvus constellation, have interested scientists for centuries. They were first spotted by astronomer William Herschel in 1785, but it was not until much later, with the help of advanced technology, that we realized they were in a dramatic collision. Imagine two colossal celestial bodies swirling and merging, their stars and dust intertwining in a mesmerizing display. Modern telescopes like the Hubble Space Telescope have been able to capture breathtaking images that unveil the intricate details of this cosmic collision. The name antenna galaxies fits perfectly because of the long, wispy tails extending from them, resembling antennas on an insect. It is as if these galaxies are reaching out to each other in a celestial embrace. This ongoing merger is not just a collision of matter. It is a collision of worlds, a cosmic spectacle that reminds us of the immense power and beauty of the universe. As they continue to study and observe these galaxies, they uncover more secrets and mysteries hidden within the vast expanse of space. These amazing stories in space happen when galaxies come together, and their gravity pulls and twists them. Inside these galactic dramas, new stars are born in areas called stellar nurseries. One fascinating example is the antenna galaxies, where we see the violent but stunning results of galaxies crashing into each other. When this happens, the gravity between them sparks the creation of many new stars. Imagine clouds of gas smashing into each other and squeezing tightly, giving birth to massive groups of stars that light up the sky. It is like a spectacular fireworks show in space. Scientists have been able to learn a lot about these events thanks to powerful tools like the Hubble Space Telescope, as well as other tools like the Chandra X-ray Observatory and radio telescopes on the ground. These observations have shown us some intense stuff like pairs of stars giving off X-rays and areas where radio waves are super strong because of merging galaxies. The antenna galaxies are particularly special because they let astronomers see firsthand what happens when galaxies collide and merge. As these two galaxies keep moving toward each other, they will eventually become one big galaxy. It is like watching a cosmic dance that changes the face of the universe. Number 4. Tiny blue ball. Not so long ago, people believed the Earth was like a giant pancake, flat and sprawling, with stars and planets serving as twinkling lamps in the sky or perhaps sailing vessels in some celestial sea. But then a remarkable revelation dawned upon humanity. The Earth is not flat but round. Astronomers, those intrepid seekers of cosmic truth, unearthed evidence suggesting that stars, the sun, and even our fellow planets were not orbiting around us as we once assumed. Instead, it was our humble planet that twirled gracefully around the sun, much like a dancer in an eternal cosmic waltz. This revelation was nothing short of revolutionary. Imagine the astonishment of those who had long believed in a geocentric universe, with Earth as the stationary center of it all. Such groundbreaking ideas were not always welcomed with open arms. One of the most celebrated minds of the time, Galileo Galilei, found himself behind bars for daring to suggest this new truth. The powers that be, embodied by the Church, were not ready to relinquish their old beliefs without a fight. Yet, as time went on, the undeniable evidence stacked up, and Galileo's vision was vindicated. The Earth indeed orbited the sun, not the other way around. But the surprises did not end there. Medieval astronomers peered deeper into the heavens and realized that those distant points of light were not just twinkling adornments but mighty suns in their own right, each potentially harboring worlds of their own. Even as we stepped into the 20th century, our understanding of the universe remained in flux. Some scholars believed that our Milky Way galaxy was the extent of all creation, an idea that seems quaint in light of our modern cosmic perspective. How far we have come from those days of imagining the Earth as a flat expanse beneath a celestial dome to now grasp the vastness and complexity of the universe that stretches far beyond our wildest dreams. The astonishment was immense as ever-evolving telescopes unveiled a startling revelation. One by one, additional galaxies came into view. It dawned on people that their vast galaxy, which they inhabit on a minuscule speck called Earth, is just one among countless others in the universe. The expanses of the sky and the horizon, seemingly immense from our perspective, now seemed even grander. This photograph captured by the Cassini spacecraft during its orbit around Saturn offers a glimpse from one of our nearest cosmic neighbors, where Earth appears as a mere shimmering dot. This image is both unsettling and captivating, prompting contemplation on the remarkable beauty and diversity thriving on this speck in the vast expanse of the universe. Now it's time for today's subscriber pick. In the quiet depths of the universe, where stars dance their eternal ballet and nebulae paint the canvas of the cosmos with vibrant hues, lies a treasure trove of wonders beyond imagination. In a revelation that echoed through the halls of humanity, NASA, the venerable pioneer of space exploration, unveiled a collection of photographs that defied the bounds of awe and inspiration. It began with a whisper, a rumor circulating among stargazers and dreamers alike. NASA, the custodian of the heavens, was preparing to unveil a series of photographs captured by their intrepid spacecraft. These were not ordinary snapshots. They were windows into the vast expanse of the cosmos, revealing secrets and marvels hidden in the depths of space. As anticipation reached a fever pitch, the day of the unveiling arrived. The world held its breath as NASA's press conference began broadcasting live to millions across the globe. As the first image appeared on the screen, gasps of wonder rippled through the audience. The photograph depicted a swirling galaxy, its spiral arms adorned with clusters of newborn stars glowing like celestial jewels against the velvet tapestry of space. Each star seemed to pulse with life, a testament to the creative power of the universe. But that was just the beginning. As the slideshow continued, each image surpassed the last in sheer magnificence. There were nebulae ablaze with the fiery glow of stellar birth, their tendrils reaching out across light years in a cosmic embrace. There were planets, alien worlds suspended in the void, their landscapes etched with the scars of time and upheaval. One particularly captivating image captured the ethereal beauty of a solar eclipse, the moon's shadow casting a delicate veil of darkness upon the sun's fiery corona. It was a moment frozen in time, a dance of celestial bodies that had captivated humanity for millennia. But perhaps the most breathtaking of all was a photograph of Earth taken from the vantage point of a distant spacecraft. From this perspective, our planet appeared as a fragile oasis in the vastness of space, a tiny blue jewel suspended in the cosmic sea. It was a reminder of the preciousness of our world, a call to cherish and protect the only home we have ever known. What are your thoughts on this stunning photo released by NASA? Share your opinions in the comments below. Number 3. Doorway into Mars. Mars holds many mysteries, and NASA's rover sent to explore its surface is determined to uncover them. But there is a group even more eager for discoveries than the space agency itself: the extraterrestrial hunters and Mars conspiracy theorists. Every so often, sharp-eyed viewers of the rover's live stream spot something extraordinary. These captured images spark speculation and discussion online. Among the most intriguing findings are the alleged pyramids and a formation reminiscent of Stonehenge on Mars. Despite these intriguing discoveries, NASA often dismisses them as mere coincidences or tricks of the imagination. This dismissiveness raises eyebrows, especially when it comes to peculiar instances like the mysterious doorway spotted in one of the rocky formations on the Red Planet. The lack of elaboration from NASA only adds fuel to the curiosity surrounding these discoveries. It is as if they are avoiding delving deeper into the more eerie findings. This reluctance to investigate further leaves us with more questions than answers about what might truly be lurking on Mars. NASA's rover Curiosity was exploring the rugged east cliffs of Mars when it stumbled upon an intriguing discovery: a door-shaped crevice in the imposing Mount Sharp. This unexpected find sent waves of excitement through both the scientific community and conspiracy theorists alike. Thanks to NASA's habit of releasing high-resolution images from its Martian missions, they were able to scrutinize the fracture with keen interest. Upon closer inspection, the crevice appeared decidedly unnatural. It bore the striking resemblance of a door, as if carved into the very heart of the mountain by some unknown hand. Speculation ran rampant, suggesting it could be the entrance to a clandestine sanctuary or a temple of secrets. Yet, puzzlingly, the dimensions of the doorway seemed ill-suited for ordinary human passage, measuring a mere 12 inches in height and 16 inches in width. It was more reminiscent of a door for a creature of smaller stature, perhaps similar to a dog door. This led to wild conjecture about extraterrestrial involvement. In the popular imagination, aliens are often depicted as beings with diminutive heads, leading some to entertain the notion that this curious door was crafted by alien hands. However, NASA scientists remain skeptical, attributing such formations to common fractures in Mars's bedrock. Despite their rational explanations, enthusiasts of extraterrestrial life remain steadfast in their belief, adamant that this peculiar orifice was no ordinary crevice in the rugged terrain of Mount Sharp. Number 2. Phantom Galaxy. Exciting new pictures taken by two powerful telescopes, the Hubble and James Webb telescopes, reveal the beauty of the Phantom Galaxy, a spiral collection of stars and planets positioned 32 million light-years away from Earth. This galaxy is nestled within the Pisces constellation, as reported by the European Space Agency, which teams up with NASA to operate these remarkable telescopes. Known formerly as M74, the Phantom Galaxy belongs to a special category of spiral galaxies called grand design spirals, distinguished by their distinct spiral arms extending outward from the galaxy's core. These captivating images, derived from data collected by both the Hubble and Webb telescopes, offer a mesmerizing glimpse into the Phantom Galaxy's features. The Webb telescope, in particular, detected delicate threads of gas and dust weaving through the galaxy's spiral arms, adding to its mystique. Moreover, the images grant us a crystal-clear view of the densely packed nuclear star cluster located at the heart of the galaxy, free from any obscuring gas clouds. It is like peering through a cosmic window to witness the intricate beauty of a distant world. The Webb telescope, armed with its mid-infrared instrument, embarked on an exhilarating journey to unravel the mysteries of the Phantom Galaxy. This galactic exploration was part of a groundbreaking initiative orchestrated by ESA to delve into the enigmatic beginnings of star formation. Webb, similar to a cosmic detective equipped with an infrared lens, peered deep into the heart of the Phantom Galaxy, revealing hidden celestial treasures invisible to the naked eye. Meanwhile, Hubble, renowned for its exceptional prowess in capturing ultraviolet and visible wavelengths, provided complementary insights into the galaxy's vibrant halo. In the snapshots captured by Hubble, brilliant pockets of star formation, known as HII regions, glimmered like celestial beacons amidst the cosmic darkness. These regions, similar to stellar nurseries, hinted at the dynamic processes shaping the evolution of galaxies across the vast expanse of space. By synergizing the data from both telescopes, scientists embarked on an odyssey of discovery, piecing together the intricate puzzle of the Phantom Galaxy's existence. Their collaborative efforts unveiled a deeper understanding of the galaxy's cosmic narrative, painting a vivid portrait of its celestial majesty. Through their combined endeavors, scientists not only uncovered the secrets hidden within the Phantom Galaxy's stellar cradle, but also crafted awe-inspiring visual masterpieces that beckon viewers to embark on their cosmic voyage of imagination. Number 1. Up Close with the Sun. In 2020, the Daniel K. Inouye Solar Telescope in Hawaii revealed groundbreaking images that unveiled solar features as tiny as 20 meters across. This achievement is particularly impressive when you consider the immense scale of our Sun, which has a diameter of 870,000 miles and is situated a staggering 93 million miles away from Earth. The structures captured by this remarkable telescope are comparable in size to the entire state of Texas. These structures represent swirling masses of superheated gas or plasma. Within the Sun, perched atop the towering 10,000-foot volcano Haleakala on the Hawaiian island of Maui, the TKIST boasts a colossal 13-ton primary mirror, making it the largest solar telescope in the world. This state-of-the-art facility is dedicated to unraveling the Sun's mysteries, aiming to provide fresh insights into its behavior for better forecasting of energetic outbursts commonly referred to as space weather. In the images produced by the telescope, the bright centers correspond to rising solar material, while the dark lanes surrounding them depict cooling and sinking plasma. Understanding the Sun's behavior is paramount because massive releases of charged particles and magnetic fields from the Sun can have profound impacts on Earth. These phenomena can damage satellites, affect astronauts, disrupt radio communications, and, most alarmingly, cause power grid failures. Therefore, delving into the intricacies of solar dynamics is essential for safeguarding our technological infrastructure and space exploration endeavors. Matt Mountain, the president of the Association of Universities for Research in Astronomy, stressed the importance of making progress in predicting space weather. He pointed out that while we can accurately predict Earth's weather, forecasting space weather is significantly behind, trailing by at least 50 years. The Daniel K. Inouye Solar Telescope aims to narrow this gap by delving into the fundamental physics of space weather. Starting with observations of the Sun, TKIST's focus on studying smaller-scale features and various wavelengths complements the Solar Orbiter Space Observatory, which is scheduled to launch from Cape Canaveral in Florida. While the Solar Orbiter will capture images from an unprecedented close distance of just 42 million kilometers from the Sun, TKIST will provide unique insights into different aspects of solar activity. The collaboration between TKIST and the Solar Orbiter is anticipated to yield valuable insights into solar phenomena over the next few decades. This partnership holds promise for enhancing our understanding of space weather and its potential impacts on Earth and space-based technologies. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.